Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be comparing virtual machines and containers. But just before we look at the differences, let's start by defining what containers are. Containers are pioneered and popularized by Docker. And Docker is the most popular and widely recognized type of container technology available today. Containers are a special kind of technology that bundles everything that an app needs to work as one. Containers have revolutionized the way software is packaged and delivered. But prior to the advent of container technology, separate servers or virtual machines were necessary to execute each instance of an application. The reason for this was because operating systems didn't have the capacity to run multiple applications on a single server, and virtual machines was developed to solve this problem. So what's the difference between a container and a virtual machine? Let's take a look. The key distinction between a virtual machine and a container is that a virtual machine replicates the entire computer system, including its hardware components, while containers only replicate the essential parts of the operating system known as the kernel. Containers are more lightweight and efficient in sharing resources compared to virtual machines. Virtual machine has its own virtualized set of resources, including CPU, memory, and storage. On the other hand, containers don't require virtual memory and virtual disk like virtual machines do. And because of this, containers use less space, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously, unlike virtual machines. Virtual machines run on a platform called hypervisor, while containers run on a platform called container runtime. By the way, the primary role of the hypervisor is to translate actions on emulated hardware inside a virtual machine such as memory, processors, and disk into actions on the actual hardware of the host machine. On the other hand, the container runtime is responsible for managing the creation, execution, and termination of containers on the host system. Examples of hypervisors include Microsoft Hyper-V, VMware vSphere, and Oracle VirtualBox. And examples of containers, on the other hand, include Docker and Containerd. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.